Welcome back to News 5 at 6 o'clock. Low-income families living in the Trinity Gardens community of Mobile now have more access to medical care.
A medical clinic opened in the area last year, and it's been a godsend for many families, especially those without insurance. In tonight's What's Working, Devin Walsh shows us how one act of selflessness goes a long way.
How's everything going? Take a deep breath in and out for me. You in for your follow-up? Yes.
Nurse practitioner Dr. Cynthia Washington doesn't stop from the minute she walks in the door at Hands of Hope Health Clinic.
We are up to right at 600 patients.
She used her own money to open the clinic a year and a half ago in the Trinity Gardens community.
You know, it's no clinic directly in the community, and so the need was here and the community really wanted a clinic.
Patient Antonia Duran needed help controlling her diabetes.
I don't have insurance.
But at $30 per visit, she's had many visits with Dr. Washington, and her sugars are now manageable.
She listens to what I tell her is wrong with me, and then she'll go from there.
One of the constant struggles for people who don't have insurance is finding affordable medication. Well, here at Hands of Hope, the staff makes an effort to show them how to get either free or low-cost medication. The clinic has been a huge help to many patients who needed more access to health care.
I just love it. You know, it's such a blessing for me as well as the community.
Everybody here is so nice, and Dr. Washington, and she's such a caring person.
Even after a year and a half, Dr. Washington doesn't take a salary.
My profession has a lot to do with caring, and to be able to demonstrate a caring heart, then sometimes you have to make sacrifices and step out on faith and do what God called you to do, and actually God will take care of the rest.
For now, she is taking care of her community. For What's Working,
Bend your elbow.
I'm Devin Walsh.
Now,